The weather looks really nice today. It is perfect for playing outside.
I feel a little hungry right now.
Maybe you should grab a snack first. There are some cookies in here. I think Mom bought those yesterday. Do you want some cookies too? No thanks, I'm not hungry. These cookies look really yummy. Enjoy them while I get my shoes. Wow, that tastes really good. You ate almost all of them. Are you two getting ready to go? Yes, we're going to the park. Be careful and stay together. Don't worry, Mom. We will. We're going to the park now.
Have fun and be safe.
Come back before dinner time. We won't be late, Mom.
The kids looked very excited.
They always love the park. This cabinet is getting quite crowded.
It probably needs some tidying up.
Wait a second. What is this date?
Did you find something strange?
Oh no, these cookies are expired.
When did they expire?
They expired just yesterday.
That is not good at all.
Wait. Alex ate some of these cookies.
Was it from that box?
I think it was this exact one.
And the kids are already gone.
I hope he will be okay.
Maybe nothing will happen.
I should call Luna right now.
Good idea. Try her phone.
She is not answering her phone.
Don't blame yourself right now.
Let's go to the playground first. Race you to the slide. Watch how fast I can slide. Ooh. Try not to fall this time. That was so much fun. You always say that. Push me a little higher. Not too high, okay? I feel like I can fly. Please stay on the swing. You'll never catch me. Just wait and see. I'm getting a little tired. We have been running a lot. Do you want some water?
No, I feel okay.
My stomach feels a little funny. Maybe you ate too fast earlier. I'm sure it will go away. Let's walk slowly then. My stomach still feels strange. Maybe you need a short rest. It hurts a little more now. Are you feeling sick? I don't think this is normal. Maybe we should head home. Wait, I need a toilet. Right now? Yes, I really need one. Let's find one quickly. I think there is one nearby. Please hurry. We found one at last. Let's go inside. Why is it closed? This is bad timing. I can't believe this. We need another plan. There may be another one. I hope so. The pain is getting worse. Just keep moving, Alex. Can I use that bush? No, absolutely not. Nobody would even notice. That is not a good idea. Come on. Maybe that's another toilet. Ah! Let's check right now. It's locked and it's not even a toilet. We need to find another one, fast. I can't wait that long. We need to go home now.
Luna, I really need to go now. Keep moving. Almost home. I can't run anymore. Lean on me, Alex. We're almost home.
It really hurts. Hang on, we're very close. There it is! Home! Almost there. Keep going.
I need the bathroom now.
Go quickly, Alex. Are you okay in there?
I feel a bit better now. Luna, did Alex eat the cookies before leaving?
Yes, Mom. He ate them at home before we left.
Oh no, those cookies were expired.
That explains it.
Are you feeling better now, Alex? Yes, Mom. It really hurt before.
I'm sorry I didn't check the cookies sooner.
It's okay, Mom. I will be more careful next time.
Always check expiration dates before eating anything.
Yes, we will always remember. I learned my lesson.
Good boy. Now let's make sure you're fully comfortable. How about some fresh fruit to feel better?
Yes, please.
Here you go, freshly prepared.
Looks yummy, Mom. Thank you, Mom. This looks much better.
Eat slowly this time.
Yummy. This tastes really good. I like it too. I'm glad you're feeling better now.
Good job, Luna and Alex.
I promise I will always check the snacks next time.
Me too. We learned our lesson.
It's important to teach them food safety.
Yes, and patience too.
Mom, can we play after eating? Of course, but eat first. Here, try this piece. Thanks, big sister.
I'm happy we are all together.
Nothing beats family time.
Thank you for taking care of us, Mom.
Always, my sweetie.
I feel full now.
Me too, and I feel much better. How about a quick game before dinner?
Yes, let's play. Take turns carefully and watch out. We will, Mom. I won this round. Good job, Alex.
I'm glad you both are safe and happy now.
Yes, that's what matters most.
Remember, always check food before eating.
Yes, Mom and Dad.